Hello crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. I had to stop in JoAnn the other day and I was able to check out the foam section. So I wanted to see if there was anything new, and sure enough they're now offering pattern foam sheets. This is a 12 pack and it's a 9x6 and it has 3 patterns. It has the rainbow and stars with hearts, it has a mermaid pattern, and it also has a cloud pattern. And it was actually very pretty, so it's so unlikely to find these foam sheets with patterns, and I was pleasantly surprised. And next I noticed they're carrying textured foam sheets, which is another great surprise. This textured foam sheet is like a towel effect, and they had it in 3 colors, in pink, purple, and green. Also, their glitter foam sheets, I have seen these before. I'm not sure if their new colors have been added, but I just wanted to quickly show you all the pretty colors available at the store. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big like and comment below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited as I am? Because this is pretty cool. Just to find pattern foam sheets and a texture foam sheet in JoAnn's, it's interesting and it's going to be fun, the creations we can make. Well, until next time, and God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.